We are undertaking a $1 million roof restoration, bringing the roof back to the original intended cedar shingles and the original design of Frank Lloyd Wright.
This project came about after I took a tour of the house. My proposal was to laser scan the exterior and the interior using an XGRIDS Lidar scanner.
Now with this technology, we can make sure that there's no masonry or other elements of the roof or house that are compromised during the process. And heaven forbid if there's something catastrophic, how we rebuild so we never lose this invaluable historic property.
This is XGRIDS K1. It basically weds two different types of technology together. So we've got two 48 megapixel cameras here that capture existing conditions in a pano type photograph. And then we have a Lidar sensor up here that generates a three-dimensional point cloud. It generates really beautiful photo imagery that is on top of a highly dimensionally accurate point cloud.
It was remarkable to see the scans, how incredibly precise they were. There's some things we looked at about how in the future we can use this as a virtual tour, bringing essentially thousands of more visitors and people who physically aren't able to come to the house to see it.
I mean, it's just been wonderful working with the foundation and Catherine and being part of this project.
So with Seiler technology, I feel like I'm in partnership with Harvey and the Seiler team, able to really do a good job as a building steward and provide resources so that this house truly can endure for the future.